Want to master day trading? You've come to the right place. In this guide, we'll explore the ins and outs of day trading, a fast-paced, exciting form of trading where opportunities are seized within the span of a single market day. We'll delve into the strategies, skills, and mindset needed to thrive in this challenging arena. From mastering technical analysis to managing risk effectively, we've got you covered. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the essential tips and tricks for successful day trading. Tip 1. Master technical analysis. The fast-paced world of day trading is all about understanding price movements and patterns. It's like learning a new language where charts are your dictionary. They tell a story of where the price has been and where it might go. To read this story, you'll need to familiarize yourself with key elements of technical analysis. This includes support and resistance levels, the imaginary lines that indicate where prices tend to rise and fall. They're like the floor and ceiling of a stock's price. Next, you'll want to use technical indicators. These are mathematical calculations based on a stock's price and volume. Two popular ones are moving averages and the relative strength index, or RSI. Moving averages smooth out price data to identify the market trend, while the RSI measures the speed and change of price movements. Learning to analyze charts is a fundamental skill in day trading. It's like having a compass in the wilderness of the financial markets. Tip 2. Develop a solid strategy. The world of day trading is like a chessboard, ever-changing and requiring strategic moves. Having a clear trading strategy is akin to having a compass in this vast ocean of numbers and patterns. There are different types of trading strategies to choose from, such as scalping, where you make numerous trades for small profits, or momentum trading, where you ride the wave of market trends. Alternatively, you might prefer breakout trading, waiting for that decisive moment when a stock breaks beyond resistance. Whichever strategy you choose, it should align well with your risk tolerance and financial goals. Now, alongside your strategy, another essential tool is the trading journal. Imagine it as your personal trading history book where you document your trades, thoughts, and observations. Keeping a trading journal is like having a conversation with your future self. It allows you to track your performance, identify patterns, and learn from both your victories and setbacks. In this journal, jot down your entry and exit points, your emotions at the time of the trade, and the market conditions. Over time, this journal will serve as a mirror, reflecting your trading habits and helping you refine your strategy. Remember, a well-crafted strategy and a meticulous trading journal are your keys to success. Tip 4. Manage risk effectively. In the thrilling world of day trading, risk is a constant companion, but it's not about avoiding risk, it's about managing it effectively. See, the key to safeguarding your precious capital lies in setting stop-loss orders. These are your safety nets, designed to limit potential losses by automatically closing a trade when the price drops to a certain level. And remember, never risk more than a small percentage of your trading account on any single trade. But risk management isn't just about numbers. It's also about emotional control. Trading can stir a cocktail of emotions: excitement, fear, hope, regret. But here's the thing, emotions can cloud your judgment, leading to impulsive decisions. So keep a cool head, stick to your strategy, avoid chasing losses, and maintain a rational mindset, even when the market is bouncing like a yo-yo. Effective risk management and emotional control can make or break your trading career. Tip 6. Stay informed and adapt. Staying ahead of the curve in day trading means keeping your finger on the pulse of the market. It's about being in the know when it comes to market news, economic events, and company announcements that could potentially impact your trades. Knowledge is power, and in the world of day trading, it's a currency that can pay dividends. But knowledge alone isn't enough. The market is a creature of change, and to thrive, you must be adaptable. That means being ready and willing to tweak your strategy based on changing market conditions. And let's not forget about patience and persistence. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a successful day trading career. It takes time, effort, and an unwavering commitment to the process. It's about taking one step at a time, learning from every trade, and never losing sight of your goals. Being informed, adaptable, patient, and persistent is the key to long-term success in day trading.